Guys,
Chris Fix here.
Guys, we're here, and I don't think we need an introduction. We've been doing it for 3 episodes already. Well, actually 2.5, because the informative video we saw. Before we get started, we just want to thank you guys, the viewer, the audience. We're going to thank the fans. I couldn't even get inside the building. There's so many autographs that I had to sign, so sorry we started a little late. But if you guys haven't gone back and watched the first episode, the second episode, the informative video, the exclusive one, guys, please, before you do anything, before you go on with this video, go back and watch them, be caught up with us. Let's cry a little bit, hug each other, let's embrace each other. It's going to be a good episode right now. So today we're ready, we're strapped, and it's gonna be a dirty video, it's gonna be a messy video, it's gonna be a very busy video. But today we got challenged by some people that we know closely that this couldn't be done in an hour. So, you know, some of these guys, we took it very, very personal, very serious, and we're gonna take on that challenge. So we're gonna have exactly 1 hour to get whatever we need to get done on this car. So last episode, we ended up putting this engine on this car. And that pretty much took the whole episode. It was dirty, it was tight. There were just so many things that took place with it. People were fighting in the back, you know, people were just saying unnecessary words, but we finally got it done.
Nothing Big Rhonda can't handle.
Now this episode right here, we're gonna focus on the gutting of the vehicle. We're gonna focus on taking off some things. We're gonna focus on gutting out the inside of the vehicle, the steering rack, yeah, that's pretty much gonna take most of the episode. But I'm telling you, it's gonna get dirty, it's gonna get busy. So you guys stay tuned with us. Let's keep an eye on that timer. Like I said, 1 hour. Can it be done?
Yep.
Can it be done? 1 hour, that's all we need. 1 hour, so we're gonna take it personal, we're gonna get it done, and we're gonna dive right into it, so stay with us.
Doesn't do it anymore.
All right, guys, we got 1 hour. All right, you ready, Tex?
Yeah,
let's go.
Do it.
1, 2, 3, right here. Right here. Let's go.
The old crusty trim off.
Right here, we got one for sale.
Actually, it's not. It's actually still pretty good.
500.
You think it fit on my Honda?
Depends, bro. You got enough super glue. Anything fits with super glue, right?
Look how old this thing is, bro. Look at that. Looks like snake skin, huh?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, my bad. I'm sorry. Yeah, his mouth open. My bad, bro. You got this is bad.
And this is the reason why right here we're taking this top off, because you got some rust right here.
So the problem with these rag tops is it creates moisture underneath, and a crap like this happens. It starts rusting, and this one's rusted all the way through. So this is.
All right, there's this little thing right here. And look at this. There's more rust right there. That's bad.
All right, guys. So this is the steering column. Sorry, this is the one that that I was working on on the last episode. Now I just want to give you guys an update exactly what I did. This was a lot of work. So I got the steering column package from Xcessive. Now their stuff is nice, is cool and whatnot, but all this stuff has to be modified. What I had to do is I had to pull the rod out, and if you see right here, I had to get this welded on there for it to work. But before that, man, I had to cut the inside of the rod, and I had to make sure it went in. So yeah, so right now this thing's ready to go. We're gonna throw it on the car and see if we can get some steering going on.
Little tab like this on
Yeah.
And this comes off?
Yeah, those things are break off.
Well, this one didn't want to come off. Look at that. This thing is breaking off.
turn on?
Just a 2mm.
Catching that one.
Do you have another, He's already pre-done.
Damn, we got my shoe ready.
The wrong place, bro.
This is mint, bro. Some duct tape. That's it, man. That's it.
Stop that guy! Hey! steering column is in. Everything's working. We're gonna hook it up and let's go ahead and get some steering going on. I got some. I told you Isaac was a different breed. Yeah, I want to believe me though. Oh, how about that, bro? Almost lost a finger, look at that. I'm all right, I'm all right. Son, you bought these, you just bought these.
No, sir.
You just bought yourself a brand new.
It was already like that, promise.
All right guys, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna put this steering rod, we're gonna connect it to the power steering. The thing is, you gotta make sure that you don't go over, so it's gotta be right precisely in there. If you go over, it's gonna start to lock up. So we're gonna start doing some cutting, some measuring, and yeah, go from there. Progress, guys, progress. Ah!
I saw you missed there.
Oh, you good, bro? You good?
I was trying to do like a fast. You know, people do that all the time, right?
Let me see what you did. Let me see your finger, man. Yeah, it needs to be chopped off. Let me see it.
No, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I barely touched the tip. All right, I'm just putting this. I think it's like some type of joint, but I'm trying to align it right here. Like I said, Xcessive, they make some good stuff, but it's the stuff that they make is really for people who are handy. They're very crafty and they're willing to fabricate. It's for the fabricator, really. So I haven't put it on, but hopefully it fits pretty good. If not, you already know we're gonna have to go back to square one and fabricate. All right, so like everything on this car, that steering shaft has to be modified, so we have to file it down a little bit in order for it to go inside of here. So like I said, fabrication. But as always, progress, man. All right, guys, we just cleared another milestone on this car. So as you can see right here, what I had to do is I had to cut. Ooh, it's still kind of hot. I had to cut about this much off the steering rod. So they purposely send it over so you can measure it, cut. That's what I did. I put the joint in here, make sure that there was no interruption when it turns. I had to cut it to size and fit it in first, and then, yep, look at that. Seems to be spinning pretty good. No tugs. So that's really how you want it. So yeah, progress. All right, guys, so we're about 35 minutes in. The progress is going good. We got the steering column in. My brother over there, he got the back all straightened out. The inside is pretty much gutted out. The mat is beginning to get unstuck from the ground.
So we're taking off the old sound deadening. This stuff is crusty, old. This is originally supposed to be like rubber. So this stuff's supposed to absorb sound. But look how brittle it is. So this ain't absorbing nothing. It's just looking ugly and taking up space in here. So we started pulling it up, and look how clean this is, man. This is really clean, really mint condition. The paint, there's no surface rust. These floorboards are solid. So we thought we were gonna have to coat it with some PRR 15, which is pretty much a rust converter paint that you would put over areas where there's surface rust to kind of cure it and preserve it. But these floor pans here, they ain't gonna need that. We're probably gonna lay sound deadening straight over it.
So that's one less thing we gotta do. So yeah, we're gonna continue going forward, and hopefully we can meet the deadline. I feel like we are. We're gonna meet the deadline. We're still about 20 minutes in, and that's all we need. Progress, guys.
These are all good. I had a splinter, but I think I'm gonna make it, man. I think so.
Go sit down, dog. How much blood have you lost?
Bro, I lost a lot.
My God, my God.
Okay, I'm good.
You know what? They were right. We didn't get it done in an hour. But you know what? Michael Jordan didn't win 6 championships in one day. Yeah, y'all got what I'm saying. Yeah, we failed today, but you know what? We're gonna get up. We're gonna keep going, but we made a lot of progress though. Inside is pretty good. We got the steering rack going. We got the back of it cleaned out, taken care of. So yeah, guys, what would you rate the progress today?
6 out of 10, 7. I'd say like a 4.
You know what?
Like 7, 8.
I'm gonna rate it a 9 because it was successful in its part. So, you know, we probably got another part going, but during the week, probably a couple days during the week, we're gonna take some time to continue building on it. This is a fast-paced build. This is a car that we're trying to have ready for March of 2023. So yeah, we're just fast-pacing it. We're trying to get this thing rolling on its own with 4 wheels. So yeah. Guys, thank you so much for being a part of this episode. We're gonna have part 2 coming up. But once again, if you haven't watched part 1, part 2, the exclusive video, go watch those, be a subscriber, hit the bell notification, be a part of the community, be a part of Automotive Projects. What we're doing here is we're building cars and we're having fun with it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Like I said, you guys are in for some great content with this next video coming up. We're gonna be coming out maybe around Christmas. So yeah, you guys have something to watch. So thank you guys once again. Shout out, guys. Hey. This is the best team in the block right here. Best team in the north, south, east, and west of Houston. So yeah, if you guys y'all need any work done, hit these guys up. They do, you know, fabricating work. They do lawn work. They do, what else do you guys do?
I'm a mean mopper.
My brother, he can eat off the floor. Brother Isaac, what else?
I clean toilets on the weekends.
Bro, there you go. What you do, bro?
Anything, man.
Anything.
Call me up and I'll do it, bro.
Handy. So guys, thank you so much, and we will see you guys on the next episode.